In this section, we'll walk you through the process of setting up a DALL-E account, selecting the right pricing plan, and navigating the OpenAI platform to access DALL-E. By the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to generate unique visuals for your marketing campaigns. Creating an OpenAI account to access DALL-E. To get started with DALL-E, you'll first need to create an account with OpenAI. Visit the OpenAI website and follow the registration process, providing the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've successfully registered, you'll receive a confirmation email with a link to verify your account. Understanding pricing plans and choosing the right one. DALL-E offers various pricing plans to cater to different users' needs, ranging from free access with limited usage to premium plans with more extensive features and higher API limits. Review the available plans and choose the one that best aligns with your marketing objectives and budget. Keep in mind that you can always upgrade or downgrade your plan as needed. Navigating the OpenAI platform to access DALL-E. After signing in to your OpenAI account, you'll be directed to the platform's dashboard, where you can access DALL-E and other OpenAI tools. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout, paying special attention to the API documentation and usage analytics, which provide valuable insights into your DALL-E usage and performance. Setting up API keys and managing permissions. To use DALL-E, you'll need to generate API keys that grant access to the image generation capabilities. Follow the platform's guidelines for creating and managing API keys, ensuring that you keep them secure and confidential. It's also essential to understand the API rate limits associated with your chosen pricing plan, as exceeding these limits may result in additional charges or restricted access. Now that your DALL-E account is set up and you're familiar with the platform, you're ready to start generating custom visuals for your marketing campaigns. In the next section, we'll delve into crafting effective text prompts, understanding output settings, and generating visuals for various marketing applications, such as social media posts, advertisements, and web design. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be well on your way to creating captivating visuals that enhance your marketing efforts and drive better results.